Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. All India Institute of Medical Science had released a notification on 24th of April for a walk-in interview that they are going to arrange on 4th of May 2021. The walk-in interview is for the candidates who have done their MBBS, completed MBBS, and is for 65 positions that is open for junior resident in the urgent need for the uh, during the time of COVID-19. They are they have released urgent notification and you can apply for it. So in this video I will tell you each and everything how you can apply and who are eligible to apply, and what is the amount of payment you will be getting, and how long you can work there, and all the experience and everything. So before that, if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to the channel NEET Mentor, because it's a platform for you which where you can get all the updates related to examination for NEET PG 2021, FMG, DNB PDCAT, and INI CET, and the counseling process as well. We have already submitted all the counseling details for many states and All India Counseling Deemed University and all. In the description you will find a telegram group link. You can join the telegram group so that you can communicate with the people or the candidates from other states, and you can exchange your questions. In the description we have given links for PDF ebook. You can download the ebook. Those will be helpful in your counseling process, and even if you want to have an good knowledge about open state, all the open state deemed university counseling process, and DNB, all the colleges and all last year data and statistics. So let's get started. There is a walk-in interview happening on 4th of May 2021, and AMC is an autonomous body, so they have right to conduct these kind of walk-in interview on urgent basis. So the meaning of walk-in interview is you have to submit the application, you have to send the application, and directly you can appear with all the necessary documents that they have asked. With all the documents you can go and attend the interview. In this notification they have mentioned the counseling. So counseling process and interview is both one and the same, and the salary they will be paying you is of 56,100 per month. On top of that, some other allowance as you admissible they will pay. Last date for submission of application is 30th of April. Today is 28th and just 2 days are remaining. So anybody who has completed their MBBS, and your MBBS should be done, I will tell you the duration, the time period. You should have your MBBS completed or equivalent course in completion of residency between 4th of May 2018 to 3rd of May 2021. You should have done your MBBS degree including internship. Okay, and this post is for junior residency non-academic. Okay, for now I'll tell you 65 vacancies are there, including all the categories. You are EWS, OBC, SC, ST. So totally including all the departments there are 65 vacancies, and in this duration if you want to serve your country, so this is the opportunity you have. Your experience will also be counted for your future career. You will be paid a good amount of salary or a stipend, whatever you can call it, and I will tell you how you can apply. So the application form you can download from aimsexams.ac.in, and in this notification itself you have the application form. So this is the application form starting from page 2. You need to paste your photograph and fill all the details. You take the printout and fill all the details, and once you fill all the details, put your signature. You have to send it to the address given here. The day you appear for the interview, what you should carry with you. The interview will be happening, or the counseling of the candidates who have filled their application form and sent it via speed post or courier to the address. It will be happening on 4th of May 2021 Tuesday at 9 a.m. You should be present there at Jawaharlal Auditorium or Conference Hall, AIIMS, New Delhi, for the waiting list candidate. Okay, and the eligibility and the procedure for filling up the vacancies are under: the candidate must have passed MBBS, including completion of internship or equivalent degree recognized by MCI. DMC is mandatory. You should have DMC registration number. They will ask you when you fill the application form. Once you selected, it's required. Only those candidates who have passed MBBS within the given duration I told you are eligible to participate and send the application form. Candidates should bring all the original certificate. Original certificate you must carry with yourself. In case you get selected, they will ask you for verification. Degree, internship completion certificate, date of birth, DOB certificate, caste certificate, MCI or DMC registration for verification. Without these original, no candidate will be permitted to appear for the interview. Before you enter the premises, they will do the verification, and you must carry those documents. This service you will be able to do until 30th of June 2021. This recruitment they are doing just for COVID period, to serve your country, and you become a part of those proud doctors to serve your country. It's an opportunity for you. Okay, the number of vacancies indicated against each and every specialization is provisional, and it may vary at the time of selection. They can increase the number of vacancies as well, because they are autonomous body. And this is the application form, so you can take a print out and you fill it and send it by 30th of April. Okay, there is no fee that you need to pay, so you have to just send the application form, and you appear for the interview on 4th of May 2021. No matter which state you come from, you are eligible to take participation for this walk-in interview, and it's a great opportunity for you if you are willing to serve your country during this pandemic, COVID pandemic. Okay, and I request each and everyone, all the citizens of India, to participate in this battle against COVID, wherever they are, and the way it's possible for them. If you are at home, just keeping yourself safe and following all the guidelines is also kind of battle against COVID-19, so that we can defeat and we can have all the examination that got postponed to get resumed on the time, so that all the things will get back to normal soon. If you have any question left out, so you can comment us in the comment section of the video. We will answer the questions that you have up to our knowledge based. And if you have any other thing for counseling guidance and any other paid activities that we provide, you can call us to the number given in the description. So that's it from our side in this video. If you have anything else, let us know. Comment in the comment section. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.